What's up, guys? It's Movie Horror here, back for Blu-ray and 4K Thursday. Now in today's unboxing will be for a DC animated movie getting released on 4K for the first time. This is a Superman film, and it's for All-Star Superman on 4K with the WB 100th anniversary sticker logo, and then it's a very nice glossy slipcover. I love the artwork in the front with him in space, and then the sun in the background, and then it's 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray plus digital HD. So front, spine, and back. If you want to read details and special features. Okay, 2 discs. Disc 1, Blu-ray. Disc 2, 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of All-Star Superman on 4K. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is anything, you leave me a comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite live action and animated Superman movie of all time. Thank you.